Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the best scanners for artwork in 2026 that you can buy right now. These scanners are perfect for artists who want to digitize drawings, paintings, and sketches with high color accuracy and sharp detail. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tech reviews. Starting at number 1. VIISAN 3120A3 Flatbed Scanner. The VIISAN 3120A3 Flatbed Scanner is a high-resolution scanning device designed for documents, photos, and books, making it ideal for use in libraries, schools, and small office or home office environments. It offers up to 1200 dpi resolution with a CIS sensor for clear and accurate image reproduction. The scanner supports large format scanning up to 11.7 inches by 16.7 inches and can complete scans in about 8 seconds, improving workflow efficiency. Its frameless design and autoscan functionality make it easy to use, while compatibility with both Windows and Mac ensures flexible integration across different systems. Number 2. Epson FastFoto FF680W. The Epson FastFoto FF680W wireless high-speed photo and document scanning system is a powerful and fast scanning solution designed to digitize large collections of photos and documents with ease. It is known for its ultra-fast performance, capable of scanning photos in as little as 1 second per image, making it ideal for bulk archiving projects. The device supports both wireless and USB connectivity, along with advanced features such as automatic image enhancement, color restoration, red-eye reduction, and OCR for searchable documents. It can handle multiple photo sizes in a single batch and also supports scanning postcards, panoramas, and standard documents. With its sheet-fed design and smart software, it offers an efficient way to preserve and organize old memories while also handling everyday office scanning tasks. Number 3. Plustek OpticPro A320E. The Plustek OpticPro A320E is an A3 large format flatbed scanner designed for high-quality digitization of documents, artwork, maps, and books. It features a 12 inches by 17 inches scanning area with up to 800 dpi optical resolution and uses a CCD sensor that delivers accurate color reproduction and better depth of field for textured or slightly uneven originals. The scanner can complete a full A3 scan in about 7.8 seconds at 300 dpi, making it efficient for batch scanning tasks. It also supports Twain and WIA drivers for compatibility with Windows and Mac systems, along with features like one-touch scanning buttons, OCR capability, and flexible output options for PDFs and editable files, making it suitable for professional, educational, and creative workflows. Number 4. Shining 3D EinScan Rigil Wireless 3D Scanner. The Shining 3D EinScan Rigil Wireless 3D Scanner is an advanced all-in-one professional scanning system designed for high-precision reverse engineering, manufacturing, and creative applications such as art and industrial design. It features built-in computing and a fully wireless workflow, allowing standalone operation without a constant PC connection. The scanner delivers high metrology-grade performance with up to 0.04 mm accuracy and 0.05 mm geometric resolution, ensuring highly detailed and reliable 3D models. Equipped with 50 laser lines and a hybrid laser plus infrared scanning system, it can efficiently capture objects of various sizes and surface types, including dark or reflective materials. With its dedicated scanning software and smart tracking capabilities, it provides fast, stable, and accurate data capture for professional engineering and design workflows. Number 5. Epson Workforce ES580W. The Epson Workforce ES580W wireless color duplex document scanner is a high-speed scanning solution designed for efficient office and home use, featuring a 100-sheet automatic document feeder that allows users to scan large batches of documents with ease. It supports double-sided scanning in a single pass and delivers fast performance for handling receipts, tax documents, contracts, and multi-page files. The scanner comes with a user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen that enables direct operation without a computer, allowing scans to be sent straight to email, cloud services, or USB storage. With wireless connectivity and compatibility for both Windows and Mac, it offers flexible integration into different workflows while ensuring sharp, accurate digital document capture. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. All product links are in the video description below. See you in the next video.